Hey, what's up? I'm burning up right now. We at the opening ceremonies. We marched in a little while ago. We're having a blast though. You can tell it's very hot. You know, I'm in the whole blazer slacks with the hat, you know, the locks flowing. But I'm just taking this whole thing in. I had Lisa Leslie talking. I wasn't recording just now. But you know, you gotta live with it. Let me show you guys what it's like. Yeah, to everybody with the flip camera.
We all got the flip camera. We're doing it big out here.
I heard that, man. What? Okay. I don't understand what you're saying, man. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm very blessed and very glad to be here. Take all that in, baby.